and welcome back to my YouTube channel MK Tutorial. This is Nushat here and I'm once again back with some basic grammar. तो स्टूडेंट आज फिर आप बहुत मजे करने वाले हो because I am back with very interesting topic. You know, just before that, let's just see here what I have. क्या क्या है? 1, 2, 3, and this is compass the fourth. Okay. So I have so many items here. हमारे पास इतने सारे items हैं 1, 2, 3, 4 so many. Okay. So these actually number of items. Okay. Quantity of items is actually number. ये सारे क्या है? Number. Okay. So you know today we are going to study about numbers. हम आज पढ़ेंगे numbers के बारे में. You know. So just look here. Here. Just look. How beautiful the doll is. कितनी खूबसूरत है ये गुड़िया. You know how beautiful this so beautiful dolls we have. Okay. So just look here. Here is only one doll. Here we have two dolls. Okay. So just look here. These are actually nouns because they are the name of things. ये things है, things, person, place, you know, things है, person or whatever. So these are actually noun. Okay. Here we have one thing, one item. हमारे पास one item है. So it is singular noun. Means it is singular number and it is plural number. So a noun that denotes only one person, place or thing. जो सिर्फ एक person, place, thing को denote करे, that is called singular number. Just look here. Here we have singular number. यहाँ पे हमारे पास singular number है, you know, singular. We have singular here. हमारे पास क्या है ये singular because here it is there is only one doll. हमारे पास one doll है. Here we have two doll. Here this is doll, and here we have dolls because we have two dolls. Here we have ball, one ball. Here we have balls because it is more than one. Here it is book. Here it is books. Got it? Okay. So just look here. This is singular and this one is plural. Singular है and this one is plural. So I hope that you would have understood what is difference between singular and plural number. Singular और plural number में क्या difference है? You know very well. Getting it? So just look here. Let's now know the definition of singular and plural noun. Number. Okay. Got it? So these dolls are actually very beautiful. बहुत ही खूबसूरत doll है. Okay. Look here. Singular number हम किसे कहते हैं? What do you mean by singular number? Singular number. A noun that denotes one person, place, thing or animal. Example, book, pen. Okay. Plural number. A noun that denotes more than one person, place, thing or animal. Example, books, cats, dogs, girls. So look here. Here telling what do you mean by singular number? हम singular number किसे कहते हैं? Just look here definition of singular number. Then a noun that denotes only one person, place, thing or animal. वह noun जो सिर्फ one person, place और thing को denote करे, that is called singular number. Example, book, single book. Just you have said. आपने देखा था picture में? Okay, in the scenario of that first one. Okay, there was just only one item. एक items थे, तो those were singular. And this side there were more than one, so those were plural. Therefore, a noun that denotes only one person, place or thing or animal, okay, that is called singular number. And a noun that denotes more than one person, place or thing or animal are called plural numbers. Got it? जो चीज सिर्फ means वह noun जो सिर्फ one thing को denote करे, that is called singular. And the noun that denotes more than one, that is called plural. Got it? Very easily, बहुत simple है and बहुत interesting. So let's see. अब हम देखेंगे what are the uses of how to change प्लूरल फ्रॉम सिंगुलर। अब हम सिंगुलर से प्लूरल में कैसे चेंज करेंगे वर्ड्स को। लेट्स नो सम यूजेस मीन सम रूल्स। सो फर्स्ट हियर uses of rules to change singular to प्लूरल। सिंगुलर से प्लूरल में आप कैसे वर्ड्स को चेंज करेंगे, व्हाट आर द रूल्स। सो जस्ट रूल नंबर 1 हियर, generally रेगुलर नंबर के साथ मीन जनरली जो हम नंबर यूज करते हैं, ओके, we add is। just look here, for example bus, pen, pens, ओके, जो हम जनरली यूज करते हैं। जस्ट लुक हियर, गर्ल, गर्ल्स, ओके, बुक, बुक्स, गॉट इट, क्लियर है। नेक्स्ट इज if a word ends with s, double s, sh, ch, x or z, then es is added to its end, example glass, glasses, bench, benches, box, fox, foxes, okay। bus, buses, look here, here telling जनरल वर्ड जो होते हैं, जनरली जो नंबर्स होते हैं रेगुलर नंबर्स, उसमें हम एस यूज करते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल पेन, पेन्स, गर्ल, गर्ल्स, बुक, बुक्स, बॉय, बॉयज, वॉल, वॉल्स। द सेकंड रूल इज दैट इफ अ वर्ड एंड्स विद एस, डबल एस, एच, सी एच, एक्स और जेड, अगर कोई वर्ड एस से, डबल एस से, सी एच से, एक्स से एंड हो, देन वी यूज ईएस। हम उसमें क्या ऐड करते हैं, ईएस। लाइक दिस, ग्लास, ग्लासेस, bench, benches, fox, foxes, bus, buses. Got it? Very simple. Okay, I hope you will be understanding. Next is third, this rule number third. If a word ends with f, or fe, then f or fe is removed and ves is added to its end, okay। Example, wife, wives, wolf, wolves, knife, knives, exception like roof, roofs, hoofs मीन्स और कुछ है, इस तरह से और रूल्स होंगे, ओके। अब गेटिंग ना, तो कुछ रूल्स है, ओके। जस्ट लुक हियर, जनरली इफ अगर कोई वर्ड ए फॉर एफी से एंड होता है, ओके, देन यू नो ए फॉर एफी इज चेंजिंग टू वीएस. ए फॉर एफी को हम रिमूव कर देते हैं एंड व्हाट इज एडेड, वीएस इज एडेड. बट कुछ एक्सेप्शन है, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल रूफ, उसमें हम सिंपली क्या ऐड करते हैं, यू नो एस. अदरवाइज जनरली ए फॉर एफी को हम रिमूव करके वीएस ऐड करते हैं. गॉट इट? नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज, just look here, if a word ends with y, okay, y से अगर कोई वर्ड एंड हो, then y is removed and ies is added to its end, to its end. Look here, example, story, stories. Look here, here telling if any words, अगर कोई word y से end करता हूँ, okay, then you know, then that y is removed and it is changed into ies. But before that, understand there is also some rule, okay, there is also some criteria that y से before y there should be consonant letter. y से पहले क्या होना चाहिए, consonant letter. What? Consonant letter, not vowel, consonant. अगर y से before there is consonant letter, then y will be removed. हम y को remove कर देंगे and it will change into res. Means y को remove कर देंगे and it will change into res. Okay, story. For example, story and story हो गए. And just look here, here is other, a story. This is also story, but here you know there is difference between this story and this story. What? That here is y, okay, and before y there is vowel letter. इस y से पहले क्या है, vowel letter, and before this y there is consonant letter. If there is consonant letter before y से before अगर consonant letter है, then y is removed and ies added. y को remove कर देते हैं और ies को हम add कर देते हैं. But here before y there is vowel letter, so I is not getting to be removed. I को हम remove नहीं करेंगे, simply s will be added. यहाँ पे हम simply s को add कर देंगे. There is, we are not going to remove here y. For example, stories. Got it? Clear है? You can also understand why. Why is clear? There is no any dot. Once again, और भी है हमारे पास कुछ रूल्स, ओके. हाँ, नेक्स्ट इज अदर रूल. इफ अ वर्ड ends with o, then generally es is added. Es is added to its end. To its end. Example, potato, potatoes, toes, tomato, tomatoes. Okay, आपने देखा, okay, if there is o at the end of any word, किसी वर्ड के एंड में o हो, okay, then generally हम क्या करते हैं, we add es. We add generally es, like potato, potatoes, tomato, tomatoes. But there are some exception, कुछ exception भी है which does not follow this rule, जो ये rule को follow नहीं करते. For example, exception में हमारे आएंगे कुछ वर्ड जो which you have to memorize, जो आपको memorize करने होंगे exceptions में. For example, photo, photo. We will not add here es, simply s add करेंगे. Photos. Hello, hello, hellos. Got it? Clear है? There is no any problem. You are getting it very easily. So these were the rules. ये सारे rules हैं which you have to know. Okay? जो आपको understand करने हैं. You have to fix it in your mind so that you can never do some silly mistake. ताकि silly mistakes हम ना कर सकें. Okay? Now look here. कुछ और भी rules हैं which you have to memorize. जो आपको memorize करनी है. Just look here. For example, singular to plural. Singular to plural में हमें convert करनी है. We have to change it from singular to plural. Just look here. Child. Child है तो हम childs नहीं करेंगे. We are not going to do childs. Child means एक बच्चा, childs means बहुत सारे बच्चे. ऐसा नहीं होगा. Okay? We have to learn child to children. Means children is the plural of child. Children. You have to learn it. This is means ये different है. ये regular वर्ड्स है कुछ इरेगुलर, जिसे आप कह सकते हैं बिल्कुल हटकर है, which does not follow any rules. Okay? Child, children, man, man, woman, here it is changing. Example, ox, जनरली हम x के साथ es ऐड करते हैं, but here oxen. You have to memorize. Okay? Tooth, double O here, double O will be changed into double E. Teeth means here double O is getting changed into double E. Double E. Okay? Goose, geese, mouse, mice. Got it? So there are so many rules. Means there are so many words which you have to memorize. वो आप they don't follow any rules. वो कोई rules को follow नहीं करते हैं. Simply you have to learn it. You have to fix it in your mind. Okay? So these were the some words. These were the topics which I just convinced you. Okay, which I taught you about this singular and plural noun. Once again, I'll meet you in my next video with another topic. I hope you are getting this topic very clearly. There is no any doubt. और बहुत मजा आया आपको, और इस तरह से आप मोर एंड मोर क्वेश्चंस करते रहेंगे. ओके? आप रिलेटेड टू दिस यू कैन डू मेनी मींस मेनी क्वेश्चंस. बहुत सारे आपके एग्जाम्स में से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस आते हैं विच यू कैन डू इन योर फोर्थ कमिंग एग्जामिनेशन. टिल देन, बाय बाय.